On April 10, 62, James, known as the Just, and traditionally Jesus' brother, was executed by stoning in Jerusalem, as noted in Josephus's Antiquities of the Jews, Book 20, Chapter 9. Leading the early church after Peter's departure, he faced opposition from Jewish leaders, who threw him from the temple pinnacle and stoned him when he survived. On April 10, 1389, Serbian Prince Lazar Hrebeljanović fell to Ottoman Sultan Murad I in Kosovo, as commemorated in Serbian Christian tradition. Both leaders died, but the Ottoman victory marked a turning point, weakening Balkan Christian resistance. The annual Gazimestan liturgy reflects its enduring Christian significance, shaping Orthodox identity under Islamic rule. As noted in Reformation histories, Emperor Charles V opened the Diet of Augsburg on April 10, 1530, to address religious divisions. Lutherans, led by Philip Melanchthon, prepared the Augsburg Confession, presented on June 25, but April 10 marked the strategic start. This event formalized Protestant doctrine against Catholic pressures, a cornerstone of Lutheran identity, often underemphasized compared to the Confession's later reading. According to Salvation Army archives, William Booth was born in Sneinton, Nottingham, on April 10, 1829. A Methodist preacher, he founded the East London Christian Mission in 1865, evolving into the Salvation Army by 1878. His blend of evangelism and social aid, feeding the poor and housing the homeless, redefined Protestant outreach, growing into a global movement by his 1912 death. James Montgomery, a Moravian poet and hymn writer, died in Sheffield, England on April 10, 1854. Known for hymns like Angels from the Realms of Glory and Hail to the Lord's Anointed, his 400-plus works enriched Protestant worship, reflecting evangelical zeal and missionary themes from his Scottish roots. Revelations 5:5. Then one of the 24 elders said to me, "Stop weeping. Look closely. The Lion of the tribe of Judah, the Root of David, has overcome and conquered. He can open the scroll and break its 7 seals." God bless you in Jesus Christ today.